Hey guys, welcome back to Schmel's Cooking. Today we're going to be making an old school recipe that used to be around in every fancy schmancy restaurant. Prosciutto melon salad. Check it out. Okay, so for this we're going to be using a canary melon. A canary melon, it's much like a honeydew. It's also a relative of the Crenshaw melon. They both look very, very similar. And it's available this time of year. I got this one on the Eastern Shore of Maryland. So I'm just going to slice it lengthwise. And this one is really ripe. And you can see inside the flesh, looks honeydew-esque. Has a light greenish tinge. So I'm just going to clear the seeds from that. Alright, and this sucker is incredibly ripe. So what we're going to do is we're going to slice it again, and then we're going to cut off slices of it. Into about half-inch pieces here. Alright, then from there you want to grab a knife that's a little bit more flexible, so I'm going to use my fillet knife. And we're going to take this off of the skin. Wow, that's good. If you have that done, you can add the star of your show, prosciutto. I have an Italian prosciutto here. Almost any supermarket's going to have it in a little package like this. If you're a nice market, you'll be able to go to the deli and get them to slice it fresh for you. And there's domestic prosciuttos that will run you about $17 a pound, all the way through Italian and prosciutto di Parma, which could run you $40 or $50 a pound.
Skill and care. The consortium's efforts to defend the traditional production led to the Italian government issuing a specific law relating to Parma ham. And more recently, it was awarded the protected designation of origin, meaning that no other air-dried ham may use its name.
And you can also do this with Spanish Iberico ham. But this is going to work just fine. And prosciutto is a cured meat, so it has salt in it. And it comes in these very, very thin slices. And I find that the slices from the store are enough for more than one piece of melon. So I'm just going to slice through the whole board. And that will let me double my yield. So you just take a piece of it. And wrap it around your melon like so. And it's really that easy. And as it sits, the salt from the curing agents will draw out moisture and blend beautifully with the melon to provide a nice little contrast. And then when you're all done, one optional but mandatory step is to put just a little bit of freshly cracked black pepper on it. The sweet, salty, and savory combination here really is something fantastic. So here you go. A classic prosciutto with melon salad featuring a canary melon. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy.